Hey everyone, it's Josh from Penelope Wildberry with some extremely exciting news. Our wholesale channel is live. There's a few ways to access this. You can go to penelopewildberry.com, scroll down to the bottom, and click on wholesale. You can also go directly to wholesale.penelopewildberry.com. It's going to bring you to this screen. Everyone should have received an email with an activation link allowing you to set your password to allow you to log into the wholesale side of the website. If you have not received this, please email wholesale@penelopewildberry.com and we would be more than happy to get you set up. Once you log in, there's a few things you're going to see. It might ask you to fill out this reCAPTCHA here, and then you're able to log in. So there's a few tabs here. We have products where you can browse by catalog. You have your orders, contact us, and of course you could search. You could also view by thumbnails or lines. You could also sort which page you're on by A to Z, oldest to newest, etc. For example, let's say we're going to find some lounge pants. We'll go into lounge pants. We can come in here and browse the different designs in lounge pants. As you see here, I was working on an order previously, so if you're working on an order, you get distracted by a customer walking into your store or something else, a phone call. Even if you log out or close the page, you can come back in and your order will be saved, so you won't lose out on that. It's very easy to order. Just add in the buttons. You could type in the specific number if you'd like, add those in, and then click add to order. Once you're ready to check out, you've browsed through all the products, you see what you found, you got what you needed, you can go ahead and click on your order here. It's going to bring you to the order confirmation page. Now this is just going to submit your order. It will not charge your card. Your order will not be charged until it goes into production as usual. If you have a purchase order you'd like to enter, please enter it here. Please confirm your address is correct, as this will be the address we ship to. Once the order has been submitted to us, we will receive an email and you will receive an email with the confirmation. And of course, you can always come into orders and see your submitted purchase orders here. Once the purchase order is approved and it's going into production, it's going to come down here and show under completed orders, where of course you could come in and see your history of your orders, of what you got coming towards you. If you forget what you order, you can duplicate the order, etc. This is when of course the order will be charged, it goes into production, and no further changes can be made. Also, once the order is completed, you will receive an email with the tracking information directly, so please make sure that you have us on your whitelist. And then of course, if you have any questions, you can contact us here, submit your information, it'll come directly to us. You can email, text us, etc. I hope this tool makes ordering for you guys a lot easier and answers a lot of the questions that we usually get. Of course, if you have any questions on this system, please give us a call. You don't see anything you're looking for, please again give us a call and we'll make sure to get it added as soon as possible. We hope this makes it easier for you guys and look forward to seeing you guys ordering on our website.